Dogecoin SafeMoon weekly portfolio analysis is Saturday night, and my name is Syed, and we are going to talk about, of course, our last week's performance of Dogecoin, last week's performance of SafeMoon, and guess what? You read it right on top. It's a free Dogecoin mug giveaway that is going to happen right now on this live stream. So you better join and enter to win. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Ask, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecast. My name is Syed, and we are going to take a look at, of course, our weekly analysis. See how our portfolio performed last week, and of course, some exciting big news I'm also going to share, like always, so we can make informed decisions. So with that, I'm going to first go ahead, of course, like I always do, set up my chat, but this time I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm just going to be right here. And of course, I'm going to welcome you all. I'm going to be doing a big giveaway. This is going to be a Dogecoin mug. I'm going to show you this shortly before we move forward. We'll talk about something else because it's the weekend. We got to have some fun, right, over the weekend. So, and of course, we'll run through the portfolio analysis. We'll crunch the numbers and see where our portfolio stands as of right now. And this is kind of cool because we do that every week, right? So I stream every day. Welcome back to my channel, by the way. If you're new, please subscribe and smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time there is a new update. Super exciting week. Last week we had some really ups and downs, right, with our portfolio, especially with SafeMoon. Seems like the price is dropping, but I have some exciting news. I'm going to show you exactly what is causing this price to basically drop, right? And that'll make us, put us at ease. Not to worry. I'm going to show you that also. And of course, the reason we all know is that the whales are selling. So 2 trillion SafeMoon coins were sold by the whale so far. All right, just in the last 6 or 7 hours. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to run the numbers. The Whale Watcher, which is our buddy at the subreddit, he's actively watching and crunching all the numbers for the whales and the baby whales. So awesome guy, and he runs these numbers. I'm going to share those numbers with you, share those cells with you on SafeMoon, and that of course is causing the price to go down. But you never know. We are going to, of course, grow as our portfolio grow, and these things are part of the game. Like I always say, cryptocurrency is a crazy world, guys, right? Remember that always. All right, welcome. All of you, welcome. Honorio, Sandeep, Syed, Angel. Hey, buddy. Thanks for tuning in. Gabriel, Sonic84, Slyman, Mark, Greg. Awesome. Welcome, guys. Super happy to see you guys on Invest Ask because this is your number one channel, right? So lots and lots of things I'm going to talk about today, right now. First, of course, our Dogecoin SafeMoon weekly portfolio analysis. We're going to run some numbers, like I always said. And of course, free Dogecoin mug giveaway. I have been promising this, by the way, for the last 3 weeks. Yes, and I tried to give a free giveaway last week, but my PayPal needed some updates or whatever that was. It didn't really work. So this time it works. So the free Dogecoin mug giveaway has started, by the way. And you'll probably see, in comments, it's going to come up, and you can see those. The bot is going to ask you to enter, into the giveaway, just a raffle, I guess. And at this point in time, it is only for subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber, guess what? You're not going to get the mug, buddy. All right. So you got to be a subscriber first to enter into the mug. So I'm going to talk about both things, of course. Dogecoin and SafeMoon weekly portfolio analysis, free Dogecoin mug giveaway. The giveaway has already started. It'll take about 35 minutes or so, right? 30 or 35 minutes before we end our giveaway. So you got to bear with me for 30 minutes, yeah? If you really want this mug. And if you are the lucky winner, you will get this free giveaway. And of course, this is my first giveaway. So if I mess up or something, hey, don't worry. I'll pick a winner. Not to worry, I'll make sure you get the mug anyways, right? So not to worry. All right. So welcome, guys. Welcome, Low Roller. Thanks, buddy. Nice to see you. Graham, Paul, Christofina, Jeremy, Patrick. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it. So we are going to talk about, of course, our portfolio analysis. free Doge mug giveaway happening right now on this channel, and you may be the lucky winner. Third is the huge updates that I want to share today over this weekend. So get ready for next week. There's some exciting news, some breaking news that I'd like to share and talk about, because this will definitely help the price for SafeMoon and of course Dogecoin too. Dogecoin is doing pretty well, by the way, right? It's up. So once we take a look at a portfolio, you will definitely see how things are moving forward. So hey, thanks buddies for joining, appreciate it. And by the way, if you've not subscribed, so make sure you subscribe right now so that you can enter into the giveaway. But I'm not sure if you'll be able to enter because I have set up the loyalty points, guys. So you got to be able to, be on the channel, be with me for a while before you're eligible. So subscribe first, and of course, be on this channel for a while before you get the loyalty points, and that's the only way you are going to be, getting into the giveaway. So I'm going to first check whether the giveaway is working fine. So in about 35 minutes or so, I should be able to pick a winner. That's what I see here on my screen. The timer is running. And of course, this is the Dogecoin mug. And let me in fact show you, first off, before I talk about the weekly analysis and of course the, SafeMoon and Crunch numbers and whatnot, I'm going to show you the giveaway first. All right. How about that? That's cool, isn't it? Right. So here's the merch store. Let me go ahead and switch to the merch store. Here we go. This is the Invest Desk, your very own merch store. So in order to go to the store, you can go to streamlabs.com. That's what I use, the service that I use to stream, live stream every day, /investdesk/merch. And you'll see all of these goodies that I've set up. Yeah, I've been working hard, guys, right? Yeah. Look at all the cool stuff I've been doing. So I have this SafeMoon Galaxy cover. I have some pair of socks, right? Whatever it is. It's just a bunch of stuff I just added up. I don't know. Here's the mug that I want to give up. This is the mug for Dogecoin, by the way. Boom. There it is. So if you are the lucky winner, you should be able to enter into the raffle right here within your chat. You should see a bot coming up talking to you about entering into the giveaway. If you see the bot, let me know in comments. If you don't, let me know in comments. Maybe I have some settings that I need to do. I don't know. But again, like I said, it's the first time. So if it doesn't work, we'll try it again. No problem. But I'm on it. I'm on it, guys. All right. That's what we're going to do. We're going to continue doing it because thank you for your love and support for InvestDesk. I certainly appreciate it, right? So not a problem. Not a problem. All right. So this is the Dogecoin mug. It's worth $19 so far. So it's a ceramic mug, 11-ounce mug. Here are the dimensions, right? So check it out. It's dishwasher and microwave safe, right? Anyways, so you'll get shipped directly to you this particular Dogecoin mug, right? Because Doge has always been our baby. That's the first crypto we added to this portfolio. All right, let me get the chat here. All right. So welcome everybody. If you're new, by the way, please subscribe. Appreciate it. Smash the like button and of course the bell notification. So this is the giveaway that you'll be getting right after about 30 minutes or so. The giveaway, the contest is going to end, and of course you're going to get. All right, next I want to show you, before I even talk about the portfolio analysis, right, I want to show you why SafeMoon quickly is going down. And here's the update. This is the quick whale update. This is super good, by the way. Super nice. All right. So SafeMoon family, roughly 7 hours ago, there was a considerable drop in the price because a 2 trillion dump occurred and we lost another whale. Now, of course, losing whales is awesome. It's super nice because if whales sell, guess what? We get 5%, right? Redistributed among all the existing holders. So don't worry, this is the reason why price seems to be dropping. All right, and that's a logical reason. And remember, guys, right, I always, I'm behind logic, I'm behind reasons, right? I need to know why. It's not just speculation, right? There has to be a reason why price is going down, and yet the holders are increasing, right? So when I see the holder count, it's like 350,000, 340,000 holders already. And all of a sudden the price goes down. So I'm thinking, well, geez, what's going on? So I do some research and bring it right here on this channel for you guys. So there you go. Right here on your screen, you can see that 2 trillion SafeMoon tokens were dumped by a whale, and we say goodbye whale, thanks for the coins, because we get more coins in our wallet. And I'm going to share the wallet info right here when we do the SafeMoon analysis, right? Just crunch some numbers so you'll see how many additional tokens I've actually received by these whales selling, and of course you have also received as well. So welcome guys, by the way, if you're just joining, please subscribe. We're talking about our Dogecoin and SafeMoon weekly portfolio analysis, and of course a giveaway is also in progress. And yeah, check it out if that is working for you guys. All right, so let's take a look at the quick whale update. That's what I'm looking at right now, and I'm bringing it to you so you know exactly why we see a little dip in the SafeMoon price. So one of the whales sold 2 trillion SafeMoon tokens. Of course, goodbye whale, thanks for the coins. That brings us down to only 34 more whales, which is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. So this is great, awesome information, data, tangible information that I always look up and I always bring it right to you guys. All right, so Sonic84, thank you so much, buddy. You are the bomb, right? You're the bomb for InvestDesk. You're awesome. Thanks so much. Got 13 billion elongate for $300 as a joke, expecting to lose, but looks a decent buy. Up to $3,500. Watched a dev video earlier to the moon. Not bad at all. I'm going to check it too. Thanks for the tip. Awesome. And thanks for the tip for everyone in the community. Everyone on InvestDesk. Thanks, Sonic84. You're the man. You're the man for this weekend. All right. Thanks so much for your super chat and your super stickers. And thank you for supporting InvestDesk as your #1 channel. All right. So we are going to be looking at, of course, we're right now looking at the quick whale update, and that is roughly 7 hours ago, 2 trillion were dumped. Of course, the price went down. So this brings us down to only 34 more whales that's left, one less than yesterday. And of course, over the past couple of hours, we have been nicely climbing back up. So get what you can on a discount, and that's what this subreddit says. This whale will make one of the largest drops since I started tracking 12 days ago. And that is, of course, what I read here. I also started tracking baby whales last night, since they will be the next to affect the price. So last night we had 314 people who had 100 billion to 1 trillion SafeMoon tokens. Last night we were down to 309. So yeah, these whales are going away. Baby whales are, of course, next. They will also go away. And then, of course, and that's how it trickles down. The good part, the exciting news, is that the holders are growing. So for example, if I navigate to SafeMoon tokens right here and just refresh, because every time I refresh, the holders grow. So right now the holder count is 347,947 addresses for SafeMoon, right? So that's pretty strong. Not counting the ones already on a Bitmart exchange. A little over 100,000 there. So we're at 447,000, almost 450,000 holders altogether who are holding SafeMoon. So not bad. I'd even say, as far as if you include Whitebit and of course next couple of days, maybe 500,000 already. So hey, it's not too bad at all, the way it's moving forward. All right. So super exciting. And this is the whale, by the way, that sold 2 trillion SafeMoon tokens. Right here, you see the transaction. This is the transaction on the bottom here, right? So about 1,797,000,000,000 and whatever it is, right? Just bunch of numbers, right? So a couple of huge entries that you see here going out from to PancakeSwap router. That's how it is. All right. So this is the reason why we have the whales selling, by the way. All right. So welcome or welcome back to this channel, guys. If you're new, please subscribe and smash that like button and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time. And that's how it is. All right, so do we see? Yes, so we see the Streamlabs. By the way, you see it in the comments, guys. In order to enter into the raffle free giveaway, you will probably see a comment by Streamlabs that says, my Dogecoin mug raffle is going on for subscribers use! Exclamation mark raffle to enter. So all of you, you must use exclamation raffle mark if you need to enter, guys. If you do not use that, you may lose your mug. That's a Dogecoin mug, guys. Let me show you where it is. Where is it? Right here. So perfect. I don't know what's it going to look like. I've not seen it yet, right? So I've not ordered it for myself, guys. So I don't know what's it going to look like. Whoever wins this mug right after this giveaway, and I'm going to tell you it's about 28 minutes left till the giveaway ends. So make sure there's plenty of time for all of us or all of you guys to actually be able to enter into this giveaway and be able to win. So all you need to do is, of course, exclamation mark and raffle to enter into the free giveaway right here from InvestDesk, like I've been always promising, and I was able to set it up and everything is cool. We are going to do this, and of course I'm going to do it others as well, maybe with SafeMoon giveaways, maybe a jacket or whatever it is. It's just for you guys. It's all for you. This is super exciting. And because I receive so much love and support from you guys, hey, it's for us, right? We're a team, and this is awesome, awesome, awesome. So please use exclamation mark raffle to enter into a giveaway. But the condition is that you must be a subscriber. And of course, you have some loyalty points. If you are unable to enter, that means you don't have loyalty points, which means, guys, you need to be on InvestDesk. You need to be talking to me. You need to be, being on this channel, and if you do provide super chat or super sticker, by the way, you automatically enter anyway. So it's up to you. Hey, there's some, free marketing gimmicks, right, from Streamlabs. I was reading that. I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it, right? But anyways, I'm happy so that I'm able to set this up for you guys, and I've been promising. So definitely, anyways, welcome. By the way, if you're new, please subscribe and enter into the free giveaway channel. We're talking about a quick update on SafeMoon, a quick whale update right here. About 7 hours ago, 2 trillion were dumped. That's why we see the price go down, but that's not to worry. But there's some exciting, huge news I also would like to share before I talk about and crunch the numbers on the portfolio analysis. All right, I know you guys are waiting to see the numbers, but just a quick update on these news. So I'm going to go to the Twitter. And by the way, InvestDesk is on Twitter. So it's at invest_desk. Check it out. And if you'd like to follow, please do. Awesome. So here's the first breaking news, that SafeMoon dev team meeting is going to be tomorrow, right? Sunday. Of course, I'm going to cover it live right here on this channel. And of course, make sure you hit the bell notification so you get notified. So tomorrow's meeting is very important because the chief technology officer is going to be there. The CEO is going to be there. Maybe, Dev SafeMoon is going to be there. Hank is going to be there, and so on. So all of these guys are going to be on the meeting tomorrow. The reason why I say it's important, because the agenda for tomorrow's meeting is that they will have some exciting news. And one of the exciting news is right here. So tomorrow, we reveal quite possibly our boldest innovation yet. And what is this innovation? A lot of you know that SafeMoon Exchange has been our vision since the beginning. So we invite you to join our CEO as he discusses why this may be one of the biggest moves within crypto space to date. So I don't know. I don't want to give everything away, guys. So we'll have to wait tomorrow to join the meeting, to take a look at what they're after. I did some research, of course, on my end, and all I can tell you right now is the fact that they are, of course, coming up with a decentralized SafeMoon exchange for themselves, and not just the exchange where you can maybe trade, buy and sell, but there's a lot more. But let's wait till tomorrow, right? Let's keep the suspense, right, as they call it, right? All right. So this is a big news for SafeMoon moving forward. And the other part, of course, the whales are selling. We know that, right? The baby whales are also selling. That's awesome, which means we're earning more tokens. And on top of that, look at this news. Check this out, right? They're going to have their own SafeMoon exchange that the entire team is passionately working on this. Now, what's in it for me? How does it affect the price, right? How does it affect the project? Well, first off, the project is going to become even more stronger, which means if SafeMoon is able to get their own exchange in place, this is going to be extremely, extremely helpful. And of course, like the tweet says, that this may be one of the biggest moves within the crypto space to date. So they're not talking about SafeMoon's biggest move, right? They're talking about within the crypto space. And that's pretty cool. This right here tells me, hey, there's something big going on, not just SafeMoon itself, but maybe, they're working on something. Maybe they'll attract additional exchanges. I don't know what, but we'll see tomorrow. The only analogy or the comparable example that I can think of this particular few words is, think about Ethereum, right? So everything is built on the Ethereum blockchain. So that means Ethereum charges a fee, right? It's called the gas fee or gas. So every time you use Ethereum's blockchain, guys, you have to pay Ethereum. That's why Ethereum price is just going up, because you use their services, essentially, right? In layman terms, you pay them, you pay a transaction fee. And that's one of the reasons why SafeMoon, for example, is not on the Ethereum blockchain, because the fees are very high. That's why they're using the Binance Smart Chain. All right, that makes sense. I covered this, by the way, yesterday. So check my consensus mechanism video yesterday. If you missed it, awesome. You'll find some excellent information and knowledge from yesterday live stream if you missed it. All right. So this is one of the biggest moves within crypto space to date. Hopefully, we'll see what that is tomorrow. I'm going to cover this meeting live, and I think it's 3 p.m. Eastern. That's what they meet every single time they have a weekly meeting. So this is one of the biggest news I want to share right here with you guys, so you know what is going on. And this is super, super exciting. All right, let me get some comments here. I've been talking for a while. All right. So before I do, by the way, make sure you enter into the raffle. Use ! raffle, and it will automatically enter you into raffle. We are giving away at InvestDesk a free Dogecoin mug, right? That's a $20 value. That's all for you guys. I'm going to be doing this frequently. This is the first time, so if it works perfectly, hey, it's all for you guys. I'm super, super happy to have this all set up, because it's just wonderful community that I have with you guys. Awesome. So, all right. Daily Life of Ben Ahmad. Welcome, buddy. It's been a while. So if a whale sold around 1 trillion SafeMoon, don't you think they're thinking that SafeMoon is not a good investment? What's your thoughts? I am SafeMoon holder with around 100 million. Yeah, that's a good question. All right. So for example, I've been in the crypto space for a while. You've been in the crypto space for a while, right? All of us, one way or the other, if you are within the crypto industry, the number one reason we sell, the number one reason, by the way, at least for a investor, if you are an investor, is of course you want to make money, right? Why else would you invest? So the primary reason we invest, whether in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, crypto, or any other businesses even. You start up a new business as an entrepreneur, you want to make a profit, right? That's the basic definition of business and entrepreneurship, right? That's the reason. Otherwise, you would not do it. Otherwise, you would open up a non-profit organization, right? Start helping people. So I think personally, good comment, by the way. But this is really the primary reason is, of course, the monetary gains that you do. Now, of course, the second part of this is that if they're thinking SafeMoon is not a good investment, this has to kind of taken into or looked into more in depth, because we got to take a look at the project itself. Hey, why is it SafeMoon? What is SafeMoon doing? What is it up to? What are some of the actionable steps is this company taking? And if that all looks good, then of course that part kind of fades away. And of course, the primary reason of course stands out is of course money, because if these whales, of course, when we say whales, by the way, think about it, when we say whales, that means these guys bought SafeMoon at a very, very early stage. Okay, and they make sense because they believed in SafeMoon at a very, very early stage. That's why they bought it. That's why they had trillions and trillions of SafeMoon tokens. And now if they're selling it, guys, it's all right. I mean, I always take things positive. It's all right. I mean, we lose money, we make money all our lives, and some investments are good, some investments are bad. That's part of the game, all right? That's just part of life. So, hey, we got to embrace it, right? And of course, the number one rule, like I always say in cryptocurrency, is not only it's a crazy, crazy world, but also only invest of what you're willing to lose. Boom, there you go. All right, so make sure you enter into the raffle, by the way, exclamation mark raffle, exclamation mark raffle, right? That's the word that you want to use. Type it in so you can enter into the Dogecoin mug raffle. And let me tell you how much time we have left. I have about 18 more minutes. So 18 more minutes before a winner is picked and we get into that. All right. So this is the big news for SafeMoon. Now let's get to our much awaited analysis. So first, here's our Dogecoin analysis. This is our weekly portfolio analysis for Dogecoin. And Dogecoin has been performing pretty well, by the way. So right now, the price of Dogecoin is about 0.06385. Not bad. Almost 6.4 cents, almost 6.3 cents. So that's pretty exciting. And this is, of course, the current price. And it's ranked number 19. And of course, it's on the watch list of about 237,000 people. And SafeMoon, by the way, just so you know, the price is at 7.6, and it's almost 100,000 people on the watch list. It's ranked 2431. Of course, this rank is going to be refreshed, and it's going to help grow. But anyways, let's first take a look at the Dogecoin weekly portfolio analysis. Here it is. Just like always, look at all these tabs. Down here are all the weeks that we keep track, starting from the week, I believe, or mid-February, right? So mid-February to almost mid-April, right? It's April 10th right now, Saturday. But yeah, about a couple of months. Let's say a couple of months on average, right? A week less than a couple of months, all right? To keep things easy. So Dogecoin price for the last 2 months, and I'm going to use the term 2 months approximately, right, has been pretty steady, right? On average, you'll notice the averages are right here. The low average is about 0.0587 and the high average is 0.0645. The highest price that Dogecoin went to was 0.063, which is last week on April 7th. But let me verify what was the price last week. Boom, there's a price last week where Doge touched even 7 cents. This was on April 1st. So depending on when you want to sell, just for our portfolio or just for our profitability analysis, you could have sold at 0.0701 or you could have sold at 0.0673. So it just depends on where you want to be able to sell. And that's really, really important when we talk about Dogecoin performance and our portfolio and keeping track of all of this, right? Because that's really what we want to do. We want to be able to look at the percentage gains, guys, right? Not just the daily gains, not just get worried about the price and drop and up. It's just really the weekly or the monthly or the quarterly or even the yearly. It just depends on your own strategy, how you want to be able to track your portfolio performance. So this is Dogecoin, and of course I'm going to also navigate to SafeMoon, and I'm going to show you the additional coins. And that's kind of makes me happy when I looked at the wallet right now. I refreshed the wallet, and I'm going to show you the screenshot. It's almost 1 billion coins of SafeMoon in addition to my portfolio. So I'm going to show you that as well. All right. Let's get some. I heard some noise here. Angel Pacheco, thank you so much, buddy, for your super chat. Appreciate your support for InvestDesk as your #1 channel. And of course, the comment Angel just gave is I appreciate all of your hard work and all the good news that you give us when we are working. We can always depend on you to keep us informed. Thank you so much. Angel, thank you so much for your support. And I'm super, super happy. I'm super humbled, by the way, that you guys have, reposed confidence in me. And I just do my own research. And of course, I love to share. And it's always beneficial. And if it does help, this news, this information, this tangible data that I bring in, and I always try to do that as much as I can. And I thank you so much. So I really appreciate your super chat and super sticker support, Angel. Thank you, buddy. You're awesome. All of you guys are awesome. Thanks so much. So make sure you enter into the raffle, exclamation mark raffle. We're going to have fun too, right? Hey, we got to have fun. So I'll finally be able to set it up. And hopefully this is going to be a regular thing moving forward, because this is all for you guys, right? This is awesome. All right, so let's go back to our weekly portfolio analysis. So Dogecoin was the highest price was 0.07. This was April 1st, but last week on April 7th, it actually was 0.0673. So let's crunch some numbers. Here we go. So if I were to sell Dogecoin, for example, 0.0673, which was the highest price just a few days ago on April 7th, and the lowest price we bought Dogecoin was at 0.04, which is just 2 months ago. So that means that it's still 58% gains. That's not too bad. In 2 months, you're still earning about 58.73%. That's approximately 60%, because when we ran the analysis last week, it was still 60%, right? So I'd even say 60%, right? So if you invested $5,000 2 months ago, right now your profit is $3,000. Of course, I'm not adding the fees, I'm not adding the deductions, the taxes, the capital gain taxes, right? That's of course, if you're in the US, that's almost 30%, so you got to watch out for those. But this is really, just plain old numbers, high level, so that it's easier for us to take a look at and see where we are. So even if I were to deduct the taxes, for example, and the fees and all, it still would be at least a 40% to 45% profit, right, on average. So that's not too bad in a couple of months. It depends on how much you invest, what is your investment size, what is your portfolio size, how you want to grow your portfolio. So if I were to say that, for example, if I invested $10,000 just 2 months ago in just Dogecoin, right now, if I sold yesterday, for example, or rather on April 7th, a few days ago, which when the price was 0.0673, that's about almost $6,000 in profit, or $5,872 to be specific. So it's not too bad, is it, right? That's pretty cool. All right, so welcome, by the way, welcome everybody. 11 minutes and counting down to our free Dogecoin mug giveaway. Make sure you subscribe and of course smash that like button while you're here, and the bell notification so you get notified every single time there is a news update. So we're talking about our weekly performance of Dogecoin, and here is the mug. I want to remind all of you, this is the Dogecoin mug that you'll be getting, or one of you guys, right? Whoever wins. This is the free giveaway right here on your very own channel, InvestDesk, #1 cryptocurrency channel for daily news updates, forecasts, and of course news. So hey, make sure you enter exclamation mark raffle to enter into the free giveaway. Once the giveaway ends in about, how many minutes do I have? Let me just quick check. 10 minutes. So it'll end in 10 minutes, and I'm going to be able to pick a winner, and whoever the winner is, they will be receiving directly from the InvestDesk merch store the My Dogecoin mug. Now there's of course a bit of delays, by the way. You all know that if you're in the US, for example, the Amazon fulfillment centers, they give you a message that maybe a little bit of delays, but you will receive this mug, and of course I'm always here. Let me know if something else happens. All right, so this is the free giveaway, guys. So make sure you enter, and it's only for subscribers. So please subscribe so that you can enter into the free giveaway. All right, let's get back to our Dogecoin analysis. Oh, so many things are going on today. It's the weekend. It's fun. It's Saturday. All right. So we're talking about Dogecoin profitability. It's still holding pretty nicely at about roughly 60% profits, guys, for the last 2 months. Not bad, right? Depending on how much you want to invest. So perfect. This is super, super good so far. And Dogecoin is doing pretty well, by the way. The price of Dogecoin is pretty neat. It's right now at 6.4. It's actually going up, right? It's going up. 6.4 cents. Remember, just 2 weeks ago, we were thinking Doge is not going to even cross 6 cents. It's going to be at 5.5 or 5.4 or even 5.0. It was pretty stable at that level, right? That was the consolidation phase for Dogecoin. And right now, just in the last few days, it is 6.4 cents. How awesome is that? So this tells me, and this tells you, and this tells us, all of us, that, hey, patience, all right? Patience. It's all right. Prices go down. And Doge even went all the way down to 0.552, right? But right now it's back to 6.4. So hey, that's all we can do. Just we gotta ride the roller coaster, guys. Just like you go to Six Flags or wherever you go to ride the roller coaster. That's how it is. That's how it is. So hey, it's okay. That's perfectly fine. But as long as you know the reasons, of why, if something is happening, and that's really what you'll find right here on this channel. That's what I do. I would love to do this for you guys and do it. All right, perfect. So this is Dogecoin's price, and we looked at the profitability. It's still holding pretty nicely at about 58% to 60% profit, right? Of course, there's some fees associated to it. So in reality, in all practical terms, this may not be 58%. This may be about 50% or 45%, right? Depending on the capital gains taxes or whatever it is that you want to call it, right? Fees and all. But not bad. Still, 2 months, not pretty decent. Pretty decent. All right, let's go to SafeMoon. Check that portfolio out. So here's SafeMoon. This is awesome. This is the wallet. You see the Trust wallet. I've put a screenshot for my wallet here. You can see, and of course I've hidden all the rest of the goodies that I have, right? I have many other items in my wallet, so I just want to show you the SafeMoon, right? And the SafeMoon tokens right now are 27,386,117,824.8708 SafeMoon tokens. So let me go ahead and enter this, by the way. This is an old, I want to update the price here. So it's 27386, 27386, 117, 824.8708. And by the way, last week, this was 26 billion, right? So right now it's 27 billion. So 1 billion SafeMoon tokens are essentially added to my Trust wallet. You see it right here, guys. You see it right here. It's passive income, isn't it, right? It's just passive income. So let me enter. So the purchase price was about 2.5. That's the price when I purchased at Invest Desk right here. And you guys saw it. I think I have a video on the purchase also. I did a tutorial on step-by-step how to purchase. You can go check that out. You can see the price right here on the live video when I recorded, when I purchased it. So that's the price I purchased, and today, right now, the price maybe is at 7.8 or maybe less. Let's check it out. SafeMoon price is at 7.9 right now, according to CoinMarketCap. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 7.9, which means that if I were to sell right now all of these tokens, I'm going to make a profit of roughly around $15,000. That's about 2 weeks. Now keep in mind, guys, last weekend, last Saturday, this profit was $30,000. So hey, that's how it is. Like I say, cryptocurrency is a crazy, crazy, crazy world, right? So 1 week is $30,000. Just this week is almost $15,000, and who knows what's going to be next week. But with these breaking news, with the SafeMoon exchange coming up, for example, right? They're building their own exchange, which is going to be big news for the entire crypto space, according to the CEO of SafeMoon. And we are going to check the meeting out tomorrow. So be sure to subscribe, guys. Be sure to subscribe to Invest Desk so that you get the latest news tomorrow on what SafeMoon team is actually planning to come up with their own exchange for the next update, right? The next big thing. So hopefully all these whales selling, and I showed you the whales just sold in the last 7 hours, almost over 2 trillion tokens, and that's why the price is at 7.9. But last week the price was at one of the zeros were removed, and even the price went up all the way as high as 5.0 without one of these zeros, right? So that's pretty cool. All right, let me get some comments here. Awesome, guys. Nice to see you entering into the raffle. This is awesome, awesome, awesome. Please do exclamation mark raffle. And welcome everybody. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and hit the like button, guys, while you're here. Appreciate it. And of course, the bell notification. All right, low roller says, take the profit and run SafeMoon at Invest Desk. Yeah, I could do that. I could have done it last week, by the way, low roller, and made $30,000, right? I could have. But hey, no, I wanna hold. I like the project. That's again my personal strategy. I could have, and I do that, by the way, on my day trading. And this is just the portfolio, by the way, guys. And I know I'm always being transparent. This portfolio right here is just for Invest Desk. I have other portfolios as well that I day trade, and of course stocks, bonds, mutual funds. So I do lots of things, right? And of course I'm also an entrepreneur. I have Claydesk.com. I'm the CEO of that firm. I'm also an enterprise architect. I teach over a little over 1 million students online. So hey, I have many businesses and other streams of income. But this is just one of them that I have it here for you guys, so we can grow and take a look at where I personally invest in my strategies in researching and coming up with this tangible data. But thanks for that comment. I appreciate that. Yeah, I can take the 15,000. I'm still happy, right? Hey, what I got to lose? It's still coming in, right? No, but I want to hold. I'm always a big advocate of holding, because if the project becomes successful, guess what? The price also goes up inevitably, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. All right, so this is the SafeMoon number of shares, by the way, and 1 billion shares were added, which means roughly around, I'd say about a little over $1,000 were extra. And they were just added out of nowhere because the whales sold. So every time someone sells, 5% is distributed. And that's exactly what it is, right? And the 5% distribution is based on the holdings of the holders. So if I hold 27 billion tokens, for example, I would get the share accordingly. All right, the Doge. Have you found out what consensus mechanism SafeMoon is using yet? Yes, I did a video yesterday at the Doge. I don't know if you were on or not. Go check it out, please. Entire 1 hour of nothing but consensus mechanism of SafeMoon, of other tokens, what it is, proof of stake, proof of work, whatever it is, everything explained yesterday. So please go check it out. I have it just for you guys. I know many of you were asking me to do a video on consensus mechanism, but just to quickly answer your comment here, and just to summarize, the Binance Smart Chain is what is being used as proof of work by SafeMoon. And the reason why they're using Binance Smart Chain is because of the fees. It's lower fees as compared to using the Ethereum blockchain. And that's, of course, higher fees, almost $60 higher than the actual, or almost like 0.65 cents that Binance Smart Chain uses. So that's why SafeMoon Token is using the Binance Smart Chain and not being on the Ethereum network. And of course, other details, please check those out about consensus mechanism. I have it in the video yesterday, but thanks for bringing it up. Appreciate it. All right. And make sure you enter the raffle, by the way. Let me check the latest update on the raffle itself, see where we're at. All right, so it's almost less than a minute. So make sure you hurry and you enter exclamation mark and type raffle so you can enter. So almost 30 seconds and counting down. I'm going to pick a winner soon as it ends. As soon as something shows me that, hey, I can go ahead and pick a winner. So I'm going to wait 20 more seconds and then we'll pick a winner. All right. Low Roller says, if you never sold your crypto, you never have to pay any tax, period, at all. Is that true? Yes, I covered the crypto taxes. Go check the video out. But yes, if you are not selling, in other words, if you're just buying and you're holding, there are no taxes, because every time you're taxed, the IRS, especially in the US, if you are in the US, for example, then you would have to pay the capital gains taxes. And that's what it is. And not only just the taxes, the IRS, Internal Revenue Service, would like to know all of these transactions also, right? And I showed you that in the crypto, I think I did a video on crypto taxes, yeah, something like that. So explain what those are, how do you do, what software you need, what whatever you need. So you could check that out. But yes, if you hold it, if you don't transact, and by the way, just transaction from one crypto to another crypto also counts for selling, especially if you're gaining. So if you're buying Ethereum from Dogecoin or Dogecoin to SafeMoon and you're gaining, that also means you'll have to pay taxes. So be careful. And of course, check that video out, Low Roller. You'll find all the answers right there. All right, so it seems like I think the raffle has ended. So let me see if I can go to my dashboard, and timer has stopped, and there's a button called pick a winner, right? So let's see if I can do that and see what happens. Again, this is the first time, guys, so bear with me here. So let's click on pick a winner. All right. Reopen or resume entries. I don't know. You must close the giveaway or wait for the countdown to end before picking a winner. All right, so let's see what's going on here. Give me a second. I'm trying to figure it out. How do I pick a winner? It won't let me. Close entries. No more fans to enter the giveaway. Yes, so I'm going to close the entries. All right, entry closed. And then I pick a winner. All right, you have no entries to pick from. What's going on here? I don't know. This is crazy. This is as crazy as crypto, right? Remove current giveaway, none. Timer, user. It's not showing me anything, guys. I don't know. What's going on? All right, maybe it's still going on. The timer is still running, but we'll see. All right, I'll let you guys know. Don't worry, guys. Once you're in, I have all your data and information. All right, so we're talking about the SafeMoon profits, right? This is important because we are looking at the SafeMoon portfolio performance. So just in 2 weeks, you see the green part, which is about $15,000 in profit, which is not bad. Not bad at all. And of course, if you look at the Dogecoin profitability that I also showed right here, it's about 60%. So if you invested $10,000 in Dogecoin, you would still be able to get about $6,000 in profit, right? So if I were to add this 6,000 in the last 2 months for Dogecoin, and for SafeMoon in the last 2 weeks, 15,000, that's still about $20,000 in the last 2 months or so, or an average about, right? Let's say a monthly average or 45 days, you get 20,000 if of course I was to sell all these right now today, right? And last week SafeMoon was 30,000, by the way, because the price was way up. So for example, if SafeMoon price last week was, I think it went all the way up to 4.7 or something like that, with a minus of a zero, right? That's $121,000 if the price goes to 0.00000047. So it's not bad. And don't ask me if it goes to a penny. I did that last time too when I was just jumping out of my seat here, right? Out of my chair. If it goes to 1 cent, hopefully, maybe in the next year, 2 years, I don't know. I don't even know, right? But if it does, then that's about $273 million right here in the Trust wallet. You're going to see it. I'm going to share it with you if that happens, right? But it's not. So let's undo. Let's not get too happy. But let's stay current. That's the current price. It's $15,000. But definitely a promising venture, SafeMoon, because the teams meet 3 times a week. We can interact with the team. We can see how teams are working, what they're up to, right? What's going on. And that's really what we're looking at, right? We're looking at the team efforts, how they want to take SafeMoon and take it to the next level. And that's important, because once it goes to the next level, that's how it is. All right. So yeah, welcome back, by the way. If you're new, please subscribe, appreciate it. And of course, hit the bell notification and smash that like button, guys, while you're here. And let me get some comments here. All right, so welcome Era J, welcome. Hey, thanks buddy for joining back. You have 27 billion now, so yes, I do have 27 billion that you see right here on the screen. That's 27 billion. It was 26 last week, 26 billion. So a billion SafeMoon tokens have been added to my Trust wallet. You see it right here, right, from the last week's screenshot. So that's not bad. That's almost like $1,000, $1,100 or something like that, right? Somewhere around there. And that's just passive income. Just 2 weeks, I make $1,000, regardless of the price of SafeMoon. It's still $1,000 in 2 weeks. That's not too bad, is it, right? So let's say if the price stays the same of SafeMoon for the next 2 weeks, I'm still going to make another $1,000. That's pretty awesome. That's not bad at all, is it, right? So that's pretty good. So if I were to make $2,000 or $3,000 just as a passive income from SafeMoon, this is going to be pretty good. So that's SafeMoon, guys. It's 2 ways. It's just 2 benefits, right? It's just 2 benefits from SafeMoon. You get, as a passive income, you're earning money from SafeMoon, and of course, if the price goes up, you are still making money, right? And that's really what it is. So it's not too bad at all. So we're talking about, of course, SafeMoon portfolio that you see right here on the screen. And yeah, it's $15,000 this week. It was $30,000 last week. So if I compare it from last week, by the way, of course, it's just half now. But it's still in the green. It's still in the green. As long as it's green, that's awesome. That's what we like. All right. All right. So let's get some more comments. Andrew Barnes says, going back to the tax, what will happen if SafeMoon release their payment card? Does this mean that you're not actually selling it? It's so you won't pay taxes. Yeah, that's a good point. But essentially, as far as crypto tax is concerned, specifically within the US, from the IRS perspective, if you look at my other video on crypto taxes, IRS treats cryptocurrency as an asset, right? Just like your house, just like other assets, they treat your crypto as an asset, right? So that's why you're taxed. So the question is, if, for example, they come up with this gift card, a Visa gift card or whatever it is, and you were to purchase and sell, that's of course a transaction, because the price of SafeMoon is going to fluctuate every single day. So no matter what you're doing, you're actually transacting. So if you're transacting, you're making profit, or you're losing, right? So again, if you lose, for example, if the price goes down, then you can offset the losses with those profits. So there's a whole, of course, formula that goes along with crypto taxes. So of course you need to consult with your own tax, financial advisor or tax, whoever does your taxes, guys. It's just, of course, you definitely need to consult with them. But as far as my information, my understanding and knowledge is concerned, and I shared that with that video, yeah, every time you earn profit, any single time you earn any money transaction, yes, you got to be able to track the profitability or losses, so you can show it to Uncle Sam. That's what they're looking at. All right. Era J21, you're right, Syed. Yeah, I think you're probably referring to the increase in SafeMoon tokens from last week. Yeah, it's about 1 billion more tokens that were added to my portfolio right here in the Trust wallet. All right. So let's talk about SafeMoon, and of course I also showed you the Dogecoin. So overall this week, by the way, of course is lower than last week if I were to compare to last week analysis. This week the profitability of InvestDesk portfolio, which contains 2 cryptos, Dogecoin and SafeMoon, is roughly around $20,000, right? But last week it was like $35,000, so it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, so let's get some more comments. Tom Denson, welcome. And by the way, if you're new, please subscribe and smash that like button, guys, while you're here. Appreciate it, right? While we're doing this is awesome. What is your price prediction, Tom is asking, for SafeMoon in the next few months? Well, of course, you know I'm not a financial advisor, but hey, I try not to speculate, guys. I always base my my price analysis either on technical analysis or market conditions, and of course the company's performance, and that's standard for all like investors. We should be looking at all of this. But in any case, if you're looking for a personal price prediction, we'll know tomorrow for sure, because there's going to be a huge news coming up tomorrow from the SafeMoon team in the tomorrow's AMA meeting. I'm going to cover this meeting live tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be Sunday, so we're going to chill, of course, on Sunday. Take a look at the meeting, see what they have to say, and they're working on this new exchange, and this is awesome. So if their exchange goes up or SafeMoon exchange comes into play, then of course we need to ensure that this is how it's going to be, right? And moving forward in the next 2 weeks and the next month or so, if all of these are actually going to be in a positive direction, in other words, if the team, SafeMoon team, delivers as it promises and continues to take actionable steps, that's perfect, right? That's exactly what it is. And that's determines the price too, because of course all these new projects, all these new developments that SafeMoon team is actually working on, whether it's the SafeMoon exchange, whether it's getting SafeMoon on additional exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, or other. We're already on Whitebit. They're already on Bitmart, right? So that certainly is helpful, right? And that's exactly what it is. So, and that's what we're looking at in terms of SafeMoon's price prediction. So definitely there's a correction going on. The whales are selling, and I showed you that. If you have not seen, by the way, here it is. It's a quick whale update for SafeMoon. So about 7 hours ago, 2 trillion SafeMoon tokens were dumped. So hey, it's right here. That's why the price is going down. So this is the whale update, and that's what it is. And by the way, the raffle is still in progress. The timer has ended, but I don't know. I don't see any list. What's going on with Streamlabs, guys? If I click on pick winner, it says you have no entries to pick from, and there are entries. And I can resume entries. I can reopen. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it on my own. Hey, no, I'm just kidding. It has to be random, right? So the list is not shown here, even though it's showing in the chat, but I'll figure it out. But I'll make sure that the winner is picked. You have to trust me, guys, right? I'll make sure winner is picked, and you will get the good news from me in the chat. All right, so not to worry. So stay with me on this one. All right, so we're talking about, of course, our Dogecoin weekly and SafeMoon weekly analysis, portfolio analysis. So this week is not too bad. We're still about $20,000 up. But last week we were $35,000 off. And that's how it is, right? Crypto is a crazy, crazy world. And I'm also evaluating other tokens, guys, by the way, right? For for Invest Desk channel right here, so that I may invest into other tokens and see how they are. But like I say, I have my own criterias that I use. I ensure that I talk to the team, and of course take a look at many other factors before I even decide to get into another crypto. All right, so these are the updates, and of course let me go to the Twitter here quickly, where we are at. There we go. This is big news, by the way. Tomorrow, SafeMoon team is going to reveal the boldest innovation that they're working on, which is, of course, the SafeMoon exchange. But the important part of this particular news is that this is the biggest move within crypto space to date, or will be the biggest move, according to CEO of SafeMoon. So it'll be exciting to see what he has to say tomorrow, and then, of course, how it'll work, right? And what are they up to? So if they come up with a product, right, and that's what I see it as, right? It's a product. SafeMoon Exchange is going to be a product that SafeMoon is going to come up with, just like a company comes up with a product. And we talk about use cases, right? We talk about SafeMoon use case, and this is right here the use case, guys. This is what they're doing. They're coming up with their own exchange. And if they are, guess what? It's going to sell, right? Once the company makes a product, it sells a product. Isn't that something, right? So we need to kind of make sure that we understand the actual, the implications of this news. So it'll be exciting to see what they come up with. Of course, I'm going to cover it tomorrow. You guys will be here too to see what's going on, to hear right from Team SafeMoon as to what their plans are and what this biggest move within crypto space to date is. I don't know. Maybe it's not even as big as they say in the Twitter here. But if it is, and if it does materialize, if they do deliver, then definitely the price is affected, right? The price of SafeMoon will definitely go up. That's the deal. That's how it works, right? That's typical. And of course, right now there's a dip, and another important aspect of all this is, of course, whenever there's a dip, guys, this is a perfect opportunity to buy. I use this strategy all the time for myself, and that's what I do. So, and if certainly if I'm interested in a long-term strategy or a short-term or whatever it is, then buying the dips is a standard investing strategy, by the way, not just myself, with all of you guys or everyone else in the industry. That's what happens. So hodl this dip. We have dropped a lot of whales this week. Just hold on and we will prevail. This is one of the tweets replying to SafeMoon, of course, one of the tweets that I'm reading right here, and that's how it is. So it just depends on your own analysis, and sometimes there's some panic selling going on, and that's natural, right? With everything, that's how it is. All right, so let's take a look at some comments here. Jeremy, welcome. Marvel, thanks for tuning in. Fauna, excellent, thanks for joining. By the way, Jeremy is saying Dogecoin SafeMoon merger, is it real? I don't know if it's a merger. I know there's a pairing going on. They are going to pair Dogecoin SafeMoon together, which means you can transact or change from Dogecoin to SafeMoon and swap from SafeMoon to Dogecoin. I know that's in the works, and not just with Dogecoin SafeMoon, but SafeMoon to USDT, SafeMoon to BNB, and SafeMoon to Bitcoin. So yeah, those things are in progress already, and they've mentioned by the team SafeMoon already. But I'm not sure about the merger itself. But yeah, that's if you're asking that, that's exactly what is going on. How much do you think it's go Dogecoin end of the year? Fresh Nardo is asking. End of the year. Well, Dogecoin is up 6.4 cents. Check out the price right here. It's 6.3. Not bad. I mean, we weren't expecting 2 weeks ago that Dogecoin will ever maintain a price floor of 6.3. And I've always been saying this, by the way, guys, since last couple of weeks, that if Dogecoin maintains the floor of 6.3, corrects itself, the price consolidates, and boom, it's going to go to the next level, which is 10 cents. And if you check out my videos last month on Dogecoin, which are extensive videos, every single day I've been covering Dogecoin and SafeMoon together, by the way, you will see that 10 cents is reachable. 10 cents is attainable. Right now it's 6.3 cents. It went all the way up to 7 cents, right? So 10 cents is not that far away. And if Doge hits 10 cents, of course that's going to be a pretty substantial jump for the last 2 months. And that's pretty exciting, right? That's definitely is going to be an exciting thing for Dogecoin to even cross 10 cents, in fact, right? And of course, from 10 cents, it'll go to 20 cents, and of course, a quarter, and all the way to $1. It's going to make a lot of people happy. So by the end of the year, the way it's progressing, if you just check out the pattern of Dogecoin, right? 2 months, it's at 6 cents. It's definitely going to cross maybe another 2 months to 10 cents. And by the end of the year, maybe, half a dollar or even $1. It depends on how it grows and what the use case is for Dogecoin, right? All right, so that's all I have for today. We took a look at, of course, the Dogecoin SafeMoon weekly analysis, and I have ended the free giveaway. I'm going to pick a winner, and I'm going to put it in the community post. How about that? That's probably that makes more sense, right? So watch out for that community post, because I did post already about the free giveaway, and I'm going to pick the winner name from this chat in a random manner once I'm done, because I think I have to end the stream before I can pick the winner. That's what I'm getting the message from Streamlabs. So all of you who have entered into the raffle, thank you so much. And yeah, cross your fingers, by the way. So you are maybe one of the lucky winners. Watch out for the community post shortly, right after I end this, that you are going to be the winner of the Doge mug, right? And if that is the case, so of course, yeah, enjoy your mug, right? Once you get it, yeah, let me know. That'll be awesome. So as soon as I post in the community post, reach out to me, let me know, so I can run the logistics to ship out that Dogecoin mug right to your doorstep. Of course, I'm not Amazon, guys, so if there's some delays in delivery, hey, that's okay. That's okay, but we'll get it. All right. So yeah, let me get some comments here. Thank you so much for tuning in, by the way. And we are, of course, looking at the Dogecoin and SafeMoon weekly giveaway. I gave you some breaking news also regarding SafeMoon. Dogecoin is doing pretty well on its own, so it's not bad. It's awesome to see Dogecoin, in fact, climbing up to 6 cents, even higher, and maintaining the price floor, right, at 6 cents. And that's pretty cool. So let me know in comments, and make sure you subscribe. Smash that like button while you're here, and of course the bell notification, so that you get notified every single time. So here's Dogecoin at 6.3 cents, of course, and SafeMoon is, let's check the price of SafeMoon at 7.7. SafeMoon is down this week. It was up last week, and Dogecoin was down last week, and Dogecoin is up this week, right? So hey, that's how it is. That's how it works. This is our Dogecoin profitability for last 2 months. It's about 60%, maintaining the same level, 60% right here. And of course, the SafeMoon profitability is about $15,000 in 2 weeks. That's the profit. And of course, you got to deduct your taxes if you were to sell today. But this is just numbers that are run, guys. So we know that we are still in the green. And there are about 27 billion SafeMoon tokens in the Trust wallet. Last week, there were 26 billion. So my wallet here added 1 billion tokens since last 2 weeks, which is not bad, right? Because every time someone sells SafeMoon, we get 5%, or 5% is redistributed among holders based on the number of shares that they hold. This is important. So if you hold more shares, then you'll get the share from that 5% accordingly. Can that make sense, right? Yeah. All right. So thank you guys for your support, for your super chat, for your love, and awesome guys. Thank you all for the support for this channel. And of course, have yourself a wonderful weekend. It's Saturday, but let me see, where am I? I need to be here. Let me see if I can come back. There we go. All right, perfect. So, yeah, we're talking about Dogecoin SafeMoon weekly portfolio analysis, free Dogecoin mug giveaway. I have all of the entries. I saw it in Streamlab. They give it to me. As soon as I end the live stream, I'm going to pick a winner, and I'm going to post it in the community post. So watch out for your name. If you are the lucky winner, you will be getting a free Doge mug from the Invest Desk merch store. This is for you guys. I mean, this is just crazy, isn't it, right? Yeah, it is. Like cryptocurrency is the crazy world. Anyways, but yeah, thank you so much for your love and support for the channel. Thank you for the super chat, super stickers, guys. Awesome. You guys are awesome. It's all just for you. So the idea behind all these free giveaways, and I'm going to increase the frequency as, of course, everything goes forward for these free giveaways, because the idea is that we stick around together and we grow our portfolios together, because this is your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecast. My name is Syed, and of course, have yourself a wonderful weekend. I will see you guys tomorrow. Keep a note, set an alert tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern, maybe a little bit before 3 p.m. Eastern, because I'm going to go live once again tomorrow, and then I'm going to cover the AMA weekly meeting for Team SafeMoon, and they have some exciting big news coming up tomorrow, which is coming up with their own exchange, and not just an exchange for SafeMoon, but their tweet, the CEO tweet or the SafeMoon team tweet said that it is going to be a huge news for the crypto space. So I'm thinking, geez, that's going to be crazy for the crypto space. What are they essentially doing? Maybe they're, I don't know, I'm not going to give it away. Let's wait till tomorrow. There's some exciting news for SafeMoon, and hopefully that's going to drive the price up next week. But anyways, thank you so much for your love and support for the channel, and have yourself a wonderful weekend. Good day, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Awesome. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys